Hi everyone, my name is Mohammed Noor. I'm the CFO for one of the market leader multinational companies in the Omni Solution and Interim Systems. I have completed the data analyst professional program in the last five months. Actually, it's one of the great programs that everyone should think about it and try to have it to improve his capabilities and skills within the data analyst and data understanding. The course is very great when it comes to, can say, have a one-to-one discussions with your mentor and the professor who provides the course knowledge. It's not wasting your time at all because we have all the sessions within the weekends, so it can say it's a time efficient from this perspective. And the most important also part, it's very low cost compared to the other live courses and online courses in the market nowadays. The course provide a very good understanding about the data knowledge and how to analyze the data in a very professional way using different tools, using different methods, and it's really help myself and help, can say, my day-to-day work to implement some ideas and some